Data drift in machine learning. Data drift. Data drift is when the statistical patterns of the input data change over time, so the data your model sees in production no longer looks like the data it was trained on.
A simple way to picture data drift is to imagine you trained a model on a photo of a calm river. But over months that river slowly bends, widens, and changes speed. The water is still flowing, but its shape and path are different enough that your old map no longer guides you accurately.
For example, a credit card fraud model trained on last year's transaction patterns can drift as criminals invent new tactics. Customers change spending habits, or a new region is onboarded. This is closely related to data distribution shift, but data drift usually focuses on the changing input side rather than the model itself.
Data drift matters because it silently erodes model accuracy, business KPIs, and user trust unless you detect it and retrain or adapt the system. In production ML, teams track drift with monitoring dashboards, alerts, and periodic evaluations to keep models aligned with the latest data.